Paperback Princess, Elephant and Piggy, Pigeon, Fancy Nancy, Amelia Bedelia, Pinkie Pie, Winnie the Pooh, Curious George, Jayla as the Paperback Princess. Today on Paperback Princess, I am going to be reading All Nuts by Rob McClurkan. Enjoy! Squirrel loved acorns. He would roast them, he would toast them, he would grill them, he would chill them. Every fall, Squirrel would collect acorns. One day, he saw the most delicious-looking acorn he had ever seen. He had to have it. He pushed, he shoved, until it finally fit. But then, kaboom! Aw, nuts! Poor Squirrel, all of his acorns were gone. Then he heard it. Hey, come back here! It was his prized acorn bouncing down the street. Grabbing his sneakers, Squirrel ran after the acorn as fast as he could until he lost a shoe. Aw, nuts! So, Squirrel jumped into a taxi. Follow that acorn! But the taxi ran out of gas. Aw, nuts! Luckily, on the same corner was a pogo stick. I have you now. Not as lucky. Squirrel bounced right into a manhole. Aw, nuts! A truck was passing by. So Squirrel grabbed hold of it.
Who's he calling a nut?
But the truck brought him all the way to Bucksnort, Tennessee. Aw, nuts! From there, he rode a dog that chased his tail. He hopped into a boat that sprang a leak. He jumped on a horse that threw him off. He hitched a ride on a little girl's bike. Then he ended up at a birthday party. Heart attack! I won! Nuts! My turn!
What?
That's when he caught a hold of a big red balloon. The balloon carried him high into the air, where pop! Aw, nuts! At that exact moment, the acorn rolled to a stop. Nuts! Back home, Squirrel was finally about to dig into his most delicious looking acorn ever. Then, all of a sudden, a new, most delicious looking acorn dropped from the sky. Aw, nuts! The end. Hope you liked my video today. Give me a huge thumbs up and click subscribe down below. And comment down below what other books you would like me to read. Hope you liked it. Bye.